So in this video I'll break down exactly how can you find out how many units you need to buy in your first order. And I will also break down few mistakes that beginners do while calculating the amount of stocks that they need to reorder for their next shipment. Hi, my name is Sammy and in this YouTube channel I share tips and tricks on how to sell on Amazon.in and how you can achieve massive success selling private label products. But before going deep into this video, let me first tell you the mistake that major Amazon seller does at the beginning of their journey. And that is they miscalculate how much amount of quantity they need to order in their first shipment. And due to that mistake, they end up going out of stock or they end up storing a lot of inventory at the Amazon FBA warehouse. And as a result of that, Amazon charges them a huge storage fees. And also they miscalculate and order small quantity of inventory. So as a result, they go out of stock very quick and remains out of stock for a long period. And being out of stock comes with lot of negative consequences. Like the amount of work they have put in ranking their keywords at the top of the search results goes in vain, and also all the money they have put in during the launch also goes wasted. As the keywords that they ranked during their launch process started to climb down their positions and lose the rankings in the search result. Let's assume you have chosen a great quality product with high sales volume and low competition, and you have also taken the time to differentiate your product and you have chosen the best quality product which is far more better than the competitors that are selling right now, and you have given huge effort in launching the product. And let's assume you have also managed to rank your major keywords at the top of the search result, close to the first page. Let me tell you what the newbie sellers think. They think that making money online is a fraud or fake. So what they end up doing is they order less quantity of products, like 100 units, and so they order 100 units to just check if it works or not. And that is the same thing almost all newbie sellers think. And they're bringing 100 pieces, which cost very high both in production and also in shipping, as the factory cannot give you a good rate and your quantity is very low. And as your quantity is very low, so you would definitely go for air shipping, and the term air shipping itself is very expensive. And you cannot do sea shipping because for such a low quantity, sea shipping will be much higher than air shipping rates. And the same product now cost you 800 rupees per product for 100 pieces, which could have been costed you 400 rupees per product if you have ordered 500 pieces and did sea shipping. Let me tell you one secret about selling private label products. The most money is made during sourcing, not selling. So as a result of ordering 100 pieces, their cost of purchasing becomes so high that they cannot even make a single profit on that product. And then I will tell you exactly what they think. The thing is the market is very much saturated. You cannot make any more money in selling Amazon FBA, etc, etc. All kind of negative shit. So during launch, we reduce the price comparatively lower to the competitor's price, and we are also providing a more better quality product. So as a result, customers find more value in purchasing our product than the customers. So even if you had 0 reviews at the time of launch, still customers buys from you, but the sales volume during that time is a little bit low. And slowly as you pick some reviews and as you manage to get some reviews, then your sales also started to increase. And so during this launch time, as your price is also low and you are also offering a better quality product, your sales will increase a lot. And as a result, your major keywords started to rank very close to the first page. And now as you have ordered only 100 pieces, you go out of stock, and all the effort that you have put in during the launch ranking the keywords close to the first page all becomes wasted. And the keywords also started to lose their position, and then the sellers blame the system. And these are the exact set of few things that also happened to me, and that is why I have also stopped selling few of my products. and I could easily turn them profitable if I knew this before. Now comes the climax. So how many quantity should you order? What is the right time to place reorder for your products? What is the best method of shipping your products, by sea or by air? Wait, I will tell you all. So how much quantity should you order? Now again, it depends on the product that you have chosen during product research. Now if you have been following my method of product research, then you might already have chosen 3 top selling products and already started tracking their sales using I99 method. Suppose the product you have chosen has 3 top selling products, has 3 top selling competitors. Let's assume A, B and C. Let's assume the product A is selling 600 pieces per month and product B is selling 300 pieces per month and the product C is selling 120 pieces per month. Then what I would do is I would choose the product C, and if the product C is making 120 sales per month, then I would place an order for 500 pieces. Because at the very beginning I will make some loss by selling at a lower price and also doing PPC launch. So during that time, as I will be running automatic campaigns, so my amount will be spent a little bit more. Though I run PPC lifetime for every product, I just adjust the budget and the negative keywords and bid on only the profitable keywords. Now why I am ordering 500 pieces? So at the beginning you have to make a lot of sales, and all sales should be full price sale. So you cannot just give your customers 90% off coupons and ask them to buy as much as they can. Now this method used to work few years ago and Amazon cracked down on this, and still if you offer 30% to 15% off coupons, it still works. Let's assume you have a price in mind for your product, the final price that you intend to sell after the launch process finishes, and let's assume the price is 1500 rupees, and during the launch time you have set the price to 1000 rupees, which is also comparatively lower than your competitor. So your customers have to buy your product at 1000 rupees in order to make it a full price purchase. What happens is your customer comes, search for a keyword in Amazon and then purchases your product, and the exact keyword that your customer searched on the search tab gets ranked, and that keyword moves a little bit upper in ranking, and you can slowly raise your price after the launch process finishes. And during this launch process, as your price is also low and you are also offering better quality product, your sales will increase massively, and as a result, and that is why we have to keep some extra inventory in hand so that at the end we can make a decent profit too. So let's assume my first 100 pieces is used for ranking and I have also sold them in a lower price, and let's assume the total loss by selling these 100 pieces is 5000 rupees, and I have remaining 400 pieces in which I can make a decent amount of profit also, and that profit will also cover the loss that I had incurred due to the launch process. And as you will be selling the 400 pieces at your final price, which is 1500 rupees, you will make a hefty profit too. Now let's talk about when to reorder for your next shipment. So as you know, our payment process divides into 4 parts. At first we pay 30% advance before the production of our products. The production generally takes around 15 to 20 days, and after that 15 to 20 days we pay the rest 70% remaining, and then it is shipped to the vessel, and it almost takes 20 to 30 days, and our shipment reaches Indian port, and then we have to pay the custom duty. And after paying the custom duty, our shipping agent takes and delivers the product to us. Now the charge of the shipping agent from picking our goods from our factory's warehouse to delivering to our home, and that whole payment we pay to our shipping agent after around 15 to 20 days. So our shipping agent gives us around 15 to 20 days buffer time after our products delivered to us. Now sometimes we pay them after 30 days, but it obviously depends upon your relation with your shipping agent. So it takes almost 2 months from the date of paying 30% advance to getting the products delivered at our home. And as soon as we get the products delivered to our house, then we put the product inside the box and then ship to FBA warehouse. Now let's assume you sell 120 pieces in last 30 days, and you have around 300 to 350 pieces which will last for another 60 to 70 days. And now it is the exact time when you should place for the reorder and pay the 30% advance to your factory. Now for some factory they may not accept 30% advance, they can demand for 50% advance, but you can negotiate with the factory about that payment. So when you see you have around 60 to 70 days worth of inventory left in stock, and that is the right time you should place for the reorder. Now the money for paying the 30% advance generally comes from the sales of the same product, and the remaining 70% you can also pay from your product, as you will make some profits while selling the product too, and as Amazon pays you every week. Now for our case we have one more product that supports our cash flow. Now let's talk about shipping methods and how should you ship, by air or by sea. Now for quantity more than 500 pieces you should go for sea shipping. Now you should first compare the rates of sea and by air and then choose the right option for you. So what you can do is you can ask for a factory that what will be the rate of shipping this quantity by FedEx in DDP, which stands for delivered duties paid. So FedEx will pay the custom duty on behalf of you, and you can pay them later through check or by cash while they will deliver your products at the time of delivery. And you can get the estimation of end-to-end sea shipping charges through my Excel sheet. You can get the estimation of sea shipping cost by this Excel sheet. So let me tell you one instance that happened to me. So I was selling this product, and now this product came to a position where it got only 30 days worth of inventory. So I have left few products that will last for only 30 days. So what happened was I did some miscalculations as Great Indian Sale was going on. So during this sale season, this was my first year of selling, and I have no idea how the sales volume will increase during this time. So my sales increased to almost 3 times of normal. So I almost got 30 days worth of inventory left, and during that exact time I placed the reorder for the next order. So I ordered total 550 pieces, out of which I told to my factory that you send 150 pieces by air so that it reaches before my products gets out of stock, and at the same time you can send the 450 pieces by ship. So my factory told that for preparing 550 pieces they need at least 30 days for production time, and I requested them, and they increased their production speed and got that production time to 15 days. And after 15 days they shipped both shipments same time, one out of which one that is containing 150 pieces was sent from FedEx by air, and the 450 pieces was shipped by sea at the same time. And almost after 5 days I got the delivery of 150 pieces, and I still had around 10 days worth of inventory left in my stock. So I started selling the 150 pieces, and after around 25 days the sea shipment also arrived, and that is how I prevented from getting out of stock. So you can also use air shipping during this type of emergency situations where you feel like going out of stock and need urgent inventory. So you have to first calculate and compare both the shipping cost from air that your factory will provide you and from sea that you can get from the sheet that I have, and then choose the best option for you. So if you want one copy of this shipping estimation sheet, then you can just comment below and I can provide one copy for you. Once again, thank you for watching this video till the end. And if you guys are liking this type of content, then please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.